sheep, sheep. Look out for that sheep. Look out for that sheep. Leak, leak. Stop it leaking. Stop it leaking. Cheeks, cheeks. What lovely cheeks. What lovely cheeks. Bin, bin. Throughout that pin. Throughout that pin. Leave, leave. He going to leave. He going to leave. Look, look. Look, a new moon. Look, a new moon. Pool, pool. The sunset pool. The sunset pool. Fool, fool. I am a fool. I am fool. Shoot, shoot. I had it shoot. I had it shoot. Stood, stood. Stood in the kitchen. Stood in the kitchen. See, me, each, even, key, green, tree, very, happy, sharply, merry, busy, finally, country. Speeding on the freeway, happily eating cheese, he and she. Skiing very rapidly. See a monkey eating honey. We see a pony stealing money. Who can he see? It must be me. Pit, pure, lift, fizz, kitchen, build, bigger, chief, fifth, listen, business, fit, display, filming, live, fifth, discuss, fig, 50, pin, hit, hit, kin, kin, dear, dear, sick, sick, sin, sin, rip, rip, dear, dear, bin, bin. The pins have been cooking since 6 o'clock. Sit in that seat by the window. We ate our meal by the mill. The seal will live in the ocean. Tim green after seeing green field. Pip and Pip shift the ship cheaply. The pins are for Pill's pin. The gym still use jeans. The girl puts concrete on Jill's knicker. Pick cherries. Blue, put, news, juice, loosen, ruler, food, choose, mood, moving, loop, north, tooth, smooth, booth, moon, shoes, you, grew, room. The room in the school were very cool. Tuesday afternoon in the studio, viewing the moon on June night. Do you remember the woman who lived in a shoe? She hadn't a clue what to do when her family grew. Well, to use your help, they are moving in June into two big put. Foot, took, cook, shook, stood, good, look, book, rule, screws. He took a good look under the hood and found a flute. Julie enjoyed good books after school. He put his foot in the new put. She took her students to the brook to wash their shoes. He threw him out of the swimming pool. The pool is until he grew full.